In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk transfer data from Google Drive to OneDrive. We'll use a Drive add-on to connect your Google Drive with OneDrive, so you can select many files at once and move them in one go. Start by opening drive.google.com in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account that owns the files you want to move. At the top right, click the gear icon, then choose Settings. In the left panel, open Manage Apps. Look for the option to connect more apps, and in the search box type Drive Files to OneDrive. Select the app in the results and choose to connect it. When Google asks for authorization, click Continue, pick your account if prompted, review the permissions, and allow access. This lets the tool read your drive selections and hand them off to OneDrive. After the quick loading screen, click Done and then OK to finish the setup. Next, open the integration. If it appears under your connected apps, launch it there. Otherwise, go to onedrive.google.net. It's a third-party transfer service, so proceed only if you're comfortable with the permissions and your organization allows it. On the site, click Select Files from Google Drive. A Google File Picker will open with your folders and documents. Use the Owner filter to limit the list to items you own, which helps avoid permission issues during the move. Select the folders or files you want to migrate in bulk. If you're moving a lot of data, consider doing it in batches by project or by year to keep things organized and to make any errors easier to track. As you work, make sure you have enough OneDrive storage. Keep your browser tab open and your computer awake until the transfer completes. Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides may export to Microsoft formats depending on the app's options. Items from shared drives or files you don't own can be restricted. The Owner filter helps avoid that. That's it. You've connected the app, authorized it, and used it to select your content for bulk transfer to OneDrive. Follow any on-screen prompts to finish, then spot check OneDrive to confirm your folders and files arrived as expected.